Ubla Lotak, Kanuit Busy. Today is Thursday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best, cooperate with others, and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Do you know how beautiful our school looks right now? All the students from kindergarten to 12th grade and their teachers have worked so hard in decorating their hallways, their classroom doors, and their classrooms. We have beautiful, warm, cozy, festive vibes going around in school. Come on, let's check it out how beautiful our school looks. Talking about festive vibes, guess what? Today we have our holiday program at 7 p.m. Doors open at 6:45. So talk to your teachers about what time do you need to be at school for tonight's holiday program. Another reminder that Friday is going to be usual early out, and remember to bring all your warm gears home from your classroom and your lockers. So today is Thursday. That means today is the only day we have to work really hard to be eligible for quarter 2 eligibility for any sports or student activity. Make sure you get some extra work done today so that you are eligible. Make sure you have 2.0 GPA, no failing grades, and you have 80% attendance. I hope you guys have a wonderful day today. Happy learning.